Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deyshawlah. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick way to draft your puff sleeve. So working under the assumption that you've seen my video on how to draft the basic sleeve pattern, I'm going to be using this already drafted pattern to create my puff sleeve. So first of all, I'm going to notch my bicep line and then trace out the shape of the sleeve on this Ankara fabric. So I'm using my ruler to draw a straight line over there. Matching the exact shape of the sleeve pattern. Okay, so I'm going to trace out the curved line of the sleeve. So the one I'm tracing now is the one for the back. The one for the back. Remember that the sleeve in front is, the curve in front is slightly deeper, is usually slightly deeper. So I opened up the pattern to dip out the front. Okay. Okay, so after doing that now, I'm going to use a straight ruler to connect my bicep line. My bicep line is the same as my upper arm. Yeah. So ideally, in my video about drafting the basic sleeve pattern, I told you that your cap height, bicep line, whatever name you'd like to call it, is ideally 5 inches. So the puff sleeve works by elongating your cap height. So I'm adding extra 3 inches, making my new cap height 8 inches. So after doing that now, I'm going to draw a diagonal line from the beginning of the cap height to my bicep line. Now I'm going to work like I'm drafting the basic sleeve again, but with a very long cap height. Okay. So now finding the midpoint of the diagonal line, I just do that by folding my tape rule into 2 equal halves and marking the midpoint. So now finding the midpoint of the half again, I'm doing that. So at this second midpoint, I'm going in by half an inch, just the same way, you draft the basic pattern. I'm going in by half an inch. And then on the first midpoint we found, going up rather by 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch. So using my armhole curve, I'm going to draw a curved line. I'm going to draw a curved line passing through the 1 inch extension, 1 inch point I made. So I'm using a blue chalk now so you can see the difference. Okay. So you flip over the armhole curve and finish it up by joining it. Yep. So now this is my new sleeve curve. So I'm going to use the armhole curve to draw another curved line passing through that half an inch point that I drew, that I marked. So that's going to be the curve for the front of the sleeve. Okay. So you see, it's very easy. This is a puff sleeve hack. This is what I do, when I'm pressed for time. So that's it. So now I'm about to cut. I'm adding 1 inch allowance around the sleeve. Okay, so I'm cutting around the puff sleeve now. I'm cutting out the sleeve. So I'm going to cut around the curve now, half an inch, like half an inch away from the line I marked, the curve. Okay, so that's the back. Now I cut two sleeves together because I wanted them to be exactly the same, with the right sides facing each other and the two corresponding lining in the middle. So now I'm trying to pick it up. Okay, two lining in the middle and the right sides of the Ankara facing each other. Yeah. So now that I've picked that up, I'm going to dip the front. So now I've succeeded in cutting the two sleeves. That's the one for the left and the right at once. Everything is going to be exactly equal because I folded it and cut it together. So now the armhole for the person who I was making this for was 10 inches. So that's where 10 inches ends on the new sleeve I cut. So the remaining part is going to be folded up either by making gathers or by making pleats, and you can see that your puff sleeve is already being formed. Let me just use pins to hold the pleats so you can see the shape of the puff sleeve. So if you want your sleeves to be, if you want a higher puff or a bigger puff, you increase the cap height some more. So let me just pin it up. You can see how nice the puff looks. Moderate and nice. Okay, so that's how the puff sleeve looks. So let me fold in that allowance too. So this is how the sleeve will look after I've joined it and I've attached it to the body of the dress. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye.